2008 Chevy Tahoe, 5.3 liter. What we got done on it, still got the stocks right there. And right there, stock catalytic converters. Then it's widened to a single flex pipe. Then we did a muffler delete and put a 3-inch pipe in its place into 2.5-inch tailpipe. Then, you know, he doesn't want it too loud, so we left the resonator on it and put a nice shiny tip on it, 4-inch. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. That's how old Chevy should sound. Dub 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 dub.